Our customer about to come in and check out her Land Rover Defender. Came in for our paint protection film on the high impact areas. Check it out. Take your time. They really did a nice job with these. So she already knew how important it was to make sure that the paint stayed protected. So she went with our 10-year paint protection film on the high impact areas, hood, front bumper, and side fenders. It is pretty. You're welcome. We appreciate your business. And then David's going to come in once you finish your inspection, and then he's going to go over how easy everything's going to be for you to take care of it, okay?
Okay.
And then on your high impact areas, your hood, front bumper, and side fenders, your paint protection film is going to last for 10 years. So he'll go over all of that with you as well, okay?
Right, okay.
Awesome. Thank you.